It's Patrick at Pals. 64 Galaxy 500. Beautiful car. You might remember the carburetor from this car. It came to us in a box and we rebuilt it. Jack, what are you doing to this car now?
Reinstalling the carburetor after changing plugs and donut gaskets. Because when they installed the carburetor after getting it back from being rebuilt, they had massive vacuum leaks. So we're fixing that.
Okay, so you renewed the carburetor.
Yes, sir.
And then the customer took it home, put it on his car, and the car didn't run at all, right?
That's exactly right.
When it came in, it was blowing black smoke, just terribly overfueled. So the thing to remember is, when you bring a carburetor into Pals to be rebuilt, we'll do a terrific job. But when it goes home with you, it has to be installed properly, and you have to troubleshoot it and tune it to the application. It's not a one-size-fits-all proposition. Each carburetor has to be tuned to the engine that it's going on to. If you've got a carburetor, bring it to Pals. Jack will do a terrific job rebuilding it. And if your car doesn't run right after you get the rebuild, bring it to Pals. We'll tune it so it does. See you soon.